here. It's Tracy D. We're here at Regen America in Philadelphia on Ridge Avenue. We have this lovely couple that is here. And actually, what is your first name, both of you?
Gerald.
And Sherry Haygood.
Okay, nice to meet you both again. They're awesome and amazing people. What prompted you to come here for care?
I had a problem with my knees, and I was wearing out all the cartilage in my knees. And I heard about stem cell. But when I got here, I found out there's a full team that operates in all areas of your life, concerning the way you eat, exercise, stretch, and also just your mental stability.
Okay. When did you start receiving your treatment? How long has it been?
Yeah, started
2 weeks.
2 weeks ago.
Okay. And what type of treatment have you been receiving? Like everything together?
Wow.
Well, let me tell you, because I know he's been getting chiropractic work on his knees and hips, and he's even getting shots for pain in his knees. He's got bone on bone, both knees. And we've been guided in how to eat, what to eat. And because of that, we both dropped pounds. Even though I'm not in the program, I do the cooking. We both dropped pounds. He was 320, was it 327 when he started?
Mm-hmm.
And now he's 319.2.
Yes, in
And
2 weeks.
In 2
That's
weeks,
awesome.
that's really awesome. So he also is doing a lot more around the house, which I love. He's been cleaning and moving furniture for me and doing things like that. So I'm really excited that his energy level is all up. He's gotten B12 shots here, and he's just doing overall better.
That's awesome. That's awesome. How do you feel now? How do you feel?
I say I'm about 85%.
Awesome. Awesome. And you're on your way to get your stem cell therapy,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
That's awesome and amazing. He has a whole plan put together by the team. What are you able to do now that you were not able to do? I guess it's going to be like your wife was saying.
What my wife is saying, I'm able to do a lot more work around the house, helping out. I can actually stretch further than I used to, and I can bend my knees.
Wow. In 2 weeks. Would you recommend Regen America here in
Absolutely.
Philadelphia?
Oh, yes,
Regen?
absolutely. Yes, I would.
Wow. If anybody had those similar issues, correct?
Yes,
Weight
sir.
loss, everything, stem cells, physical therapy, chiropractic. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
See you
Good
in 2
luck.
more weeks.
All right.